Okay, July 14th to the 20th is the annual Draggin Main here in Clovis, New Mexico. As this trailer says, it's the largest cruise here in Clovis, here in New Mexico. So we're going to go around and take a look at some of these cars on display. Hi, I'm Mark Brooks and welcome to my channel. And we're going to go take a look at these cars that are available. We'll be cruising Main Street this Saturday. Held in the Red Arrow parking lot. It's a bingo and gaming hall here in Clovis. The 1954 Chevrolet 310 pickup. Very nice looking, well restored. Very nice looking engine. These are the owners of this truck? Right. Very nice. Is she also on this one too? No. Okay. All right. Here's a later model Chevy. Nice clean engine. Well kept. This is the central sales booth. We'll see inside, go inside and see what's being sold here. A variety of hats and shirts. Let's see what other merchandise is available here. Looks like just shirts and hats is what's available here. Here's a Monte Carlo. Can't tell what year it is. Nice clean engine. Well kept shape for its age. Here's a 1923 Ford, I guess, Model T. Very nice shape for its age. Very clean looking engine, well kept. I'm sure the owner of this vehicle is very proud to have it. Proud to show it off, and hopefully it'll be in the Draggin Main this Saturday. This looks like a late 50s Chevy. Nice clean looking, well restored engine. Almost like factory fresh, brand new. Here is a 1932 Ford Roadster. Very good, well kept engine. Look at the interior here. It's, oh yeah, very well restored. Very brand new looking. Late 50s Chevy station wagon. Like a brand new looking engine. For its age, it has an electric radiator fan. Take a quick look at the interior. All restored like new. Doesn't look a bit old. Hard to see, but I just want to show a few examples of what will be available. You should be seen cruising down Main Street this Saturday. I'll be there recording and look forward for the video and see it. Thanks for watching.